moving away, good recovery on the Nifty bank itself. Nimesh joins us to give us a sneak peek into DStreet Chatter. Nimesh?
And another day of consolidation and a range-bound trade, and I guess that's largely because of the ongoing geopolitical risk, and that persists, right? So, which is why you're not seeing big actions in the cash market or in the F&O market. From a flow perspective, another quieter day, so to speak, because again today, a couple of large blocks will include, likes of Vedanta, and there was a Sky Gold block as well. So that will have an impact on the domestic number. But barring that, there is not much action, is what I understand from the larger institutions, even in today's market. The only space which is done well, and that was a feedback yesterday as well, that there is buying in select private bank names, and that stands out today as well. And that explains, the likes of Bandhan Bank, IndusInd Bank, all buzzing in trade today. Again, from a direction point of view, I guess the trend of large blocks are likely to continue. Every day we are at least hearing 2 or 3 large blocks, and the pipeline looks quite strong as well. Technically, 24,450 is a level to watch on the downside. I've been saying this for a while now, so nothing much to add there. But broadly, it's a range-bound day of trade, largely on the back of geopolitical risk, and there is lack of participation as well from larger institutions.
Nimesh, what is the chatter list today in terms of stocks?
So the first stock on my list is Sky Gold. That stock is locked at 5% down circuit today after a large block deal. Again, from a detailed point of view, I guess the promoter entry was a seller, and a couple of domestic mutual funds and few HNIs were buyers. So again, disclosures could be quite interesting in Sky Gold block. Nearly 5% equity had changed hands. The second stock is IKS. Big underperformance today. It's down 7-8% and large volumes as well. Even for IKS, the buzz is that you will hear a large block deal in IKS very soon, and one of the strategic investor could be the potential seller there. So that's the second name. The third stock is IndusInd Bank. I spoke about some bit of buying interest back in private banks. IndusInd stands out on back of very strong buying flows, as well as the number of upgrades as well. So that explains a big move there. And the last is Asian Paints. After the clean out trade, some bit of institutional interest seems to be back in Asian Paints. So I understand at multiple FI desks there is buying interest from larger institutions in Asian Paints.
Okay, all right. Lots happening there. By the way, Nimesh, remarkable resilience, right, as we were discussing earlier with regards to BSE.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So I think it surprised everybody. And, Prashant, this is despite the fact that the stock is in ASM. So for any new buying, you need that delivery-based, the funding as well to buy into that stock. So and despite that, and despite so much of brokerage notes suggesting EPS cuts and earnings cut, the stock hasn't fallen much. So maybe there is a lot of fan following or so-called love for BSE at this point in time.
Absolutely. Nimesh, so the Sky Gold, IKS, where there perhaps a large block deal coming down. IKS is just, it was up 8% yesterday, it's down 8% today. But there's a block coming, as Nimesh says, and IndusInd, Asian Paints are the others on the chatter list today. We'll keep a track on these.